Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a video on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on this create here and now click here. Now here choose any video from your gallery and click on it, and can also add a title here and click next and it will be posted. That's how to add video posts on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.